This website is one for the Arizona Biological and Biomedical Sciences program that I entered when I started at University of Arizona. I worked on this with a collaborator, and this was done using Drupal and a Drupal core replacement that is used by my university in order to make all the websites look more consistent. And so using this website, I implemented this carousel. Also implemented an Apply Now action item button at the top. There's just a welcome message. And under the About, we have information about the program. You'll notice when we go to each of these header bars, you get the information from the drop down on the side so that you can kind of stay in the same place. So we wanted to focus on, important information about the program, and then also the programs inside it, as well as why this umbrella program is great. So this was a collaboration between me and another student. We worked to create all of this information, and she did the write-up, and I helped to collect the images and everything and put the images in and do the formatting. So this link goes to our programs. We wanted it just to be very easy to see which programs there are, and I created this idea of doing program snapshots. We wanted to make sure that when you came to the page, you could see all of the programs, and so none of them were at the top or bottom. And so we created this so that you can have each program listed and see very easily what's available. We also put in some basic information at the top, and then I created a program snapshot view using Drupal views, and was able to put in social media information, pertinent links for each program, facts about the program, statistics for the program, so that people could really get a good quick view of what each program is about. Additionally, we wanted to talk to people about why University of Arizona is awesome, and so we created this page. It has pictures and just the coolest things about Tucson and Arizona. We also wanted to talk about how awesome Tucson is. We all love it here. And so we created this page using views that allows you to look at different types of things about Tucson. So each of these goes to a site that just lists cool things about that part. So for nature, it's state parks and hiking and camping. Outdoors events and things are really big here. With culture, we have all sorts of different cultural types of things that you can do here. For the fine arts, we added museums, theaters, comics, all sorts of cool stuff that goes on here. Of course, we're all scientists, so we put in interesting information about science in the area. A lot of graduate students are also married or in relationships, have families, and so we wanted to make sure that they knew there's things to do around here. There are festivals that go on all year round, so we wanted to show those off. There are plenty of bars, plenty of clubs around here, so we just highlighted a few of the big ones that are close by the university. And then just shopping in the malls that are available here. So one of the other things that we wanted to implement was a resources list, and we wanted to separate this into people who are current students, so that current students who are in the program could look up information if they needed it, as well as information for prospective students who were applying to the program. And so these were customized using Drupal views, and customized so that they could be in either prospective or current or both. And so you'll notice these pages are going to be a little bit different from each other, but in general, this was curated by my collaborator and I, and created by me in views. This is the one for current students, And then we needed to create a frequently asked questions page, just because, you know, a lot of questions are easy answers. And these just use anchors to go down the page, so you don't have to scroll down to see everything. So of course we want to give some information about application, and so I created this page as well as the images are slightly modified from the application so that people could get a really easy, quick idea of how to apply to our program. And of course we need to give contact information about all of the programs as well as the umbrella program, ABBS. And so we created this page in order to get that information out and make it really easy for people to find. I did want to note that this website is still in active development. So while it is live for students, we needed to get it live because we have people applying and the deadline coming up soon. But we're still actively developing this and going to be adding more features. And once it's completed, for sure, I will be adding another video in order to talk about what improvements we've made and going through the website again.